Hello friends, in this video we will study how to write state model for the mechanical system as a physical variable. For physical variable we have to assume number of state variable equal to number of storage element. So to understand the things here we assume this particular example having the arrangement of the mass, spring and damper. U is a input force applied, Y1 is a displacement for this particular mass. Here the spring mass and the damper is the state number of storage elements or the storage element. So here two storage elements here there. So the number of state variable equal to 2. So here we have to assume the displacement as a state variable. So here x1 is equal to y1, and for the second variable we have only one displacement. So second variable will be the derivative of the first variable, that is a displacement. So it means x2 is a velocity. So the x1 is x1, that's why the x1 dot is equal to x2. Now, find out the mathematical differential equation for given arrangement. So, this is the equation u is equal to m d square y upon dt square for the m. So, it's acceleration, for the k displacement, and the for damper it is a velocity. Now, we have to rearrange the equation. So, whenever we have the y, so y is equal to the y1, here we assume the y1 is a displacement, here is also y1 is a displacement, y is a displacement. So what we have to do, qy is equal to kx1, then by dot, so y dot is equal to x2, so the by dot. So don't get confused between these variable. This is y1 is given as a displacement, here instead of y1 standard y is written, so both are the same. So y here, so y and this y1 and this y is same. Now so after, and the y double dot, here y double dot is there, so y double dot is equal to what? So we know y dot is equal to x2, so y double dot is a x2 dot, so here we written the x2 dot. Now make it as a x2 dot, because x1 dot already we have, we require the x2 dot, so x2 dot is equal to minus km x1 minus bm x2 plus u m x, no, u1 upon m. Now rearrange the terms in terms of the matrix format. So x1 dot x2 dot is equal to 0 1, then this is for x1 dot is equal to x2, so related to the x1 it is a 0, related to x2 is a 1. Next, for the second equation, linear equation, x2 dot is equal to minus k upon m, then minus b upon m, and then x2. Next, here for the x1 dot we don't have any u value, so it is 0, and here 1 upon m. Now y is equal to what? So here y is equal to what? We consider y is equal to x1, so it will be the 1 0 x1 and x2. So in this way we get the state model for a given system, mechanical system, in terms of the state equation and the output equation. And here the state model finding means finding the a b c matrix and rearrange the term. So in this way, for the mechanical system, state model is represented. So thank you for watching the video.